Let's rate ratchet art or pro IT art. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so this time I gonna rate it different art like the ratchet. I think like this. So let's rate it. Look at how pretty he is. I love ratchet. Um, nope. So I gonna rate it 8 out of 10 because it looks like from Transformers Prime. So you know that. Okay, so these are the comments, but I don't wanna read it. Maybe 7 out of 10 because they are not colors. So you know that. Why this look so mad? What? Okay. I never had that, but it looks like it in real life. I'm gonna give this 9 out of 10 because it looks so cool. What is this? How much do you love Transformers characters? How much do you love TFRID, Ratchet and Undertone? Ratchet and Undertone? I don't know who is that. I don't think so, but it looks like a manga. So I gotta go give this 10 out of 10. So cool. Oh my god. It looks so cool. I gotta give this 9 out of 10. You know that. What's that? I still needed that. Rate Nuknai post take it read. 7 comments. I don't wanna read these comments. You know, that's for me boring. Bored. So, 8 out of 10. So cool. Nah, man, I actually done of this character. So, I gonna give this maybe 10 out of 10 or 9.5 out of 10. So, one comment. I'm gonna read this. Juicy art, I want to eat it. Hey, yo, what the fuck is this? Okay. See you next time.
Morning. My voice in real life is little bad because I am older, like 12 years old.